Welcome back. With me today is Scott Marvel, and he is going to be teaching a class with the Video Club. It starts this Friday, and it's going to be October 4th, 11th, 18th, 25th at 9:30 a.m. in the Video Lab. And I think this is just a really cool class you're doing about how to make smartphone videos, which of course you do.
Yeah, the goal of this class is a bit different than what I normally do, because I think I've been doing this maybe 4 years now at the Video Club, a couple times a year.
Yeah,
and
you have, yeah.
Mainly I teach filmmaking in the classes because it's gotten so easy to shoot and edit with the phone that I can do that in a half an hour, the technical part.
Yeah.
But most people have no idea what it's like to be a filmmaker, so I spend most of my time on that. But this class is very specific about how, if you have a club in the village and you're not using video to market your club and put in emails and help promote it, you're missing the boat. Mm-hmm. And we're going to focus specifically on helping you do that for your club.
Fantastic. I think that's a great way to kind of dovetail into a usefulness of this. And you know, as we've seen, using your phone, I mean, obviously you use an iPhone, as do I, but on the phones, the apps that are available to do very easy editing and all kinds of different little effects. When you think about this compared to 10, 20 years ago, you needed tens of thousands of dollars of equipment and what they used to be called programs, as you know, to do this. And now it's incredible. I mean, it really is. You know, with our phones now, a lot of it's just built right in, and it's easy, right?
Yeah, these are supercomputers in the palm of your hand. They are. And they've made it really simple. And if you have any computer phobia, this really isn't a computer. This is like your little hand friend. And it's click, 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 push, push, push. It's up on the internet.
Right. And I know with Scott just got the iPhone 11 Pro. And what's one of the coolest things about that, it's got the 3 cameras on the back, the one in the front, and you can actually have all 4 cameras taking video. You hold up your phone and you can pick your shots.
Right.
It's almost like you know, you got your own little switcher there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So if you're thinking about coming to the class and you're not sure if it's right for you and you're watching this show, come to Friday's class this week and sit in and kind of just audit it and see if this is going to work for you.
Yeah.
And I think we have about 6 or 7 clubs signed up so far, and the more the merrier as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah, and you know, all the phones have capability nowadays. You know, whether you get a Pixel or a Samsung or an iPhone or whatever it may be, it's fun too. And you know, again, I know it's something that you can relate to. That once you have your device, you're not spending any money on film or anything like that. A lot of the apps are built in. You can download apps free. You want to spend a little bit more, $5, $6, $7, or you know, you can get a more of an app that has a lot of capability. But it's not like what it used to be. If you make a mistake, big deal.
So my thing about the clubs in the village, I'm going in my 8th year here. It's hard to believe. You know, we have a lot of fantastic clubs.
Yeah.
And it's getting people to come to that first meeting that's the hard part. Get them to show up that first time. And if I can help you make a little video and people can kind of see what goes on in your club and who the people are and the kind of fun you're having, I think that's a big step in getting them to get off the couch and get into one of your meetings.
Yeah, and you're right. And to be able to help these clubs, your focus here is to promote themselves and have some fun and take things another step further is a fantastic way to go, a good concept.
And I think the Video Club, if you haven't been to the Video Club, you need to go to Clubhouse 2. It's by the pool, and at least walk around, look at the lab where all the equipment is, and they've got the studio, and it's a fantastic facility and available to all villagers, and I highly recommend anybody and everyone to go look at it and join the Video Club, because it is one of the better clubs in the villages.
Yeah, and they have a lot of classes coming up over the next few months.
If you want to learn how to film and shoot, if you've got an idea for a TV show, they've got a 3-camera switcher in the studio and some really great people in that club that'll help you with any idea or concept you might have about how you could use video beyond my class.
Right. Now, you want people to pre-register or just show up, or?
We've got people emailing me, but just come on Friday, get there at 9:15,
Okay.
I'll be there, and we'll get you set up.
And Video Lab is located right next to Clubhouse 2.
Yeah, right next to the pool.
Yes, so if you haven't been over there, it's everybody has fun in the video club. They really do. You got great people, Tom Nash and all, that help out, and there's all kinds of classes. But check this one out. I think even if you're not part of a club or something, just to get this information, I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes, so you don't have to be a club member because these skills can be transferred to anything, but this one I was just trying to target the clubs because I think it's time to help them out.
Yeah, great way to go. So again, this begins this Friday, October 4th at 9:30. As Scott said, please get there maybe about 9:15 at the Video Club Lab, which is right next to Clubhouse 2 on the pool over there. You're going to have a lot of fun. And again, it doesn't matter what kind of phone you have. Check it out, because I think you're really going to be surprised at the capabilities of what's there and how easy it can be.
Yeah,
Very good.
I'll make it easy on everybody. It's not hard.
Yeah, very good, Scott. Take care.
Yeah, thank you.
And you do a lot of great work yourself.
Appreciate it.
Look forward to that.
Yeah.
All right, his Thrive Productions and all do some good stuff. And we're looking forward to another one from Disneyland, because those are always my favorite.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back.